The Kizer Drop Bear 2-pocket knife pairs a compact clip point blade with Nitro-V steel, giving it impressive edge retention, reliable toughness, and resistance to rust for everyday and outdoor cutting tasks. Its green micarta handle feels secure even with wet or gloved hands, while the textured material and shaping provide a comfortable, confidence-inspiring grip during extended use. The clutch-style locking system allows smooth, one-handed opening and closing, so the knife is quick to deploy, yet remains solidly locked when you are actually cutting. Thoughtful touches like jimping along the spine and a usable finger choil make fine carving, controlled push cuts, and close-up detail work feel precise and safe. A deep carry pocket clip that can be mounted on either side keeps the knife riding low and discreet in the pocket, making it practical for both right-handed and left-handed users. With a short blade length and a very light overall weight, this folder disappears in a pocket or pack while still offering enough cutting performance for daily chores, trail use, and casual camping tasks.